Today we're checking out DeWalt's DCD799 brushless combi drill, a compact powerhouse designed for professionals. If you're in the market for a reliable, hard-wearing drill, then stick around. First things first, specs. The first thing you're going to notice with this is it is extremely compact. It measures just 164 millimeters from end to end. It's DeWalt's smallest combi yet, designed for those working in those really tight working conditions. Although this thing might be small, it does pack a punch. It delivers up to 74 Newton meters of torque, more than enough for those demanding jobs on site. Inside this thing, you are going to see a brushless motor, so you know you're going to get maximum efficiency out of your battery and maximum longevity on everything inside this tool. All of that on DeWalt's smallest footprint today. With 2 speed modes and 15 torque settings, you know you're going to get precise control whether you're working in wood, metal, masonry, anything you can come across with this combi drill, you know it's going to be up to the task. Not only that, when you are in these compact little spaces, you know, up in lofts, maybe under cabinets, it has a bright LED job light that ensures you're seeing exactly what you're doing. To sum things up, this drill is compact, lightweight, but does pack a punch. Perfect little addition if you're running DeWalt tools already. You can check this out. That's DeWalt's DCD799 brushless combi drill, available now at its.co.uk.